Here's a 2017 Ford Escape. Yield to adventure. This SUV will take you and your toys to faraway places. It's well equipped with the features you need: turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, manual tilting steering column, wireless phone connectivity, voice activation, active grille shutters, smartphone wireless charging, and external memory control. Car and Driver notes, perhaps best of all, the latest Sync 3 infotainment system, which debuted in 2016, offers a vastly more sensible, intuitive, and quick-reacting interface, including a pinch-to-zoom map feature on the 8-inch touchscreen and improved voice recognition. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. Experience it for yourself today.
Deel Sales in Miami is your local dealership committed to excellence. Call, click, or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 3650 Bird Road in Miami.